And it's a video. Good morning. It's morning somewhere. Obviously not here. It's nighttime. Got a fire going at the campground, and it's really nice to. The weather is beautiful, just a very slight wind, and it's a great night to sit out around the campfire. We had s'mores. We had a great barbecue dinner. Quite the mixture. Sausages, chicken and tri-tip, and baked beans, and good camping food. And it's just wonderful to sit here and enjoy the gorgeous fire. Had a great day. I mean, you can't ask for much more. Went with my grandson fishing. We went out with his metal detector and tried to find some lost fishing hooks along the shoreline and anything, just trying to find anything. And it was fun. And went for a little boat ride. Everyone went for a boat ride today. So we had access to a small pontoon boat, and that was fun. And it wasn't hot. I mean, it's been so hot here in California that it's almost torture for us at 110 degrees. So 80 degrees, 85 degrees is absolutely gorgeous. So we've enjoyed it. It's the end of August, and everyone's out doing a lot of camping. There's a lot of people are out here, and I'm just sitting and enjoying the fire. So have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.